Here are the key features of the RLM6-144HP 430W-455W 9BB solar module series developed by 𝐊𝐞𝐲. To ensure efficient performance and stable operation, we applied a wide range of advanced technologies, making these a top performer with high conversion efficiency of up to 20.7%. Equipped with larger than conventional 166mm half-cut cells, the modules can generate up to 455 watts peak, offering an excellent choice for both small and large-scale projects. Half cells produced by halving the silicon solar cells in half using a laser cutter ensure higher efficiency, improved durability, better shade tolerance and lower mechanical stress. Multi-Busbar Design with 9 bus bars lowers temperature coefficient, thereby decreasing the power loss. Positive power tolerance of up to 3% of rated power output guarantees stable energy generation. Ultra-modern graphene coating increases efficiency by raising the level of light transmission and making the modules virtually self-cleaning, thus saving maintenance costs. Durable design with high-quality anodized aluminium frame, tempered low iron glass with anti-reflection coating and an IP68 protected junction box with 3 bypass diodes ensures high mechanical strength with wind loads of up to 2,400 Pascal and snow loads of up to 5,400 Pascal. Manufactured from carefully chosen high-quality materials and components and designed to guarantee quality, long-lasting service life, efficiency and stable output, our modules represent a highly flexible solution for diverse installation types and areas. These can be used both in 1000 and 1500 volt systems, which offers versatility and possibility of balance of system cost reduction. We offer 10 years product warranty and 25 years linear power warranty for this product. Striving to ensure the product's reliability and compliance with national and international standards, we obtained various certifications for these, which include TÜV, UL, IEC, European CE and Brazilian in Metro. Conveniently, we offer an option with partial payment, 30% in advance with the remaining 70% paid after the shipment. For shipping, we pack 30 modules per pallet with 150 pieces in a 20-foot container and 660 in a 40-foot high cube container. Besides China, we also have local warehouses in Rotterdam and Peru. 𝐊𝐶𝐲 is a dedicated solar solutions manufacturer which offers a wide range of products for global customers, including solar modules, solar cells, on and off-grid solar systems, and solar energy storage systems. Reaching annual revenue of $20 million in 2019, 𝐊𝐶𝐲 exports its products to various commercial and residential customers from all around the world, including Germany, Italy, Spain, France, Belgium, UAE, and many others.